Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hare Guruvayurappa Sharanam. We are into the Dakam 51 of Narayaniyam, which is slaying of Aghasura and Bhagavan's Vanabhojanam. Srimad Bhagavata, Skanda 10, chapter 12, contain description of this Vanabhojana of Bhagavan. King Kamsa made many attempts of the life of Krishna, all of them failing. Then he sent Aghasura to kill Krishna, who did so willingly, knowing that his younger siblings Putana and Bakasura were killed by Krishna. He assumed the form of the 8-mile-long serpent, disguising his open mouth against a mountain. All the Gopalas entered the mouth of the demon, mistaking it to be a cave. When the serpent closes his mouth, the people will not be able to breathe and eventually die. Krishna entered the serpent upon his arrival and then increased the size of his own body. In response, the demon too extended his body size but started suffocating as Krishna was expanding more and more faster than him, causing his eyes to pop out. The demon's life force, however, could not pass through any outlet and therefore burst out through a hole in the top of Aghasura's head, meeting his end by Krishna's hand. Even in the middle of a fierce summer heat, Vrindavanam with its deep ponds, tall grass was, though windless, and in the deep and cool shade under the giant trees, the cows and the calves slept peacefully. Srimad Bhagavatam says the picnic in the woods of Bhagavan, Krishna organized. After Aghasura Vada, Krishna continues with the interrupted Vanabhojanam. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Sugabrahmam describes the blissful scene. The Gopas, took out their food and plates from their slings and sat delightfully with Bhagavan to lunch, sitting around Krishna in several rows and constantly gazing at his face with eyes wide open. They looked like the petals of a lotus arranged round its pericarp. They ate in plates improvised from flowers, flower petals, tender leaves, fruits, tree barks, and stones, as well as in the ready-made ones taken from the sling. Commenting on the flavor and delicacy of their respective dishes and laughing and making one another laugh by jokes, they dined along with Bhagwan. Imagine the sight of him to whom all the offerings are made, sitting in boyish glee to take his food amidst his companions, with the flute stuck between his waist cloth and the abdomen, with the blowhorn and staff in the left armpit and the left hand, respectively, with the balls of curd rice in his right palm and various condiments between the fingers. He sat in the midst of his friends, cracking jokes and making them laugh. As the celestials looked on, steeped in wonder. This Bhagavata sloga is Bibhratvenum Jadarapadayoh Sringavetre Chakakshe Vame Bano Masranakavalam Tolphalanangulishu Tishtan Madhye Swaparisuhrudo Hasayan Narmabhiswaihi Swarge Loge Mishati Bubuje Yajnabhok Balakeli. Hare Namaha. Now we will enjoy the Vanabhojanam in Srimad Patatri slokas. कदाजनं व्रजशिशुभिः समं भवान् अनाशने विहितमधिप्रगेदरां समावृतो बहुधरवल्समण्डलैः सदेमनैर्निरगमधीशजेमनैः. Once, though decided to have a picnic in the woods along with the children of Gokul and surrounded by a large herd of cows, though set out early in the morning, Hare, you also took along eatables, cooked rice, and other delicacies. विनिर्यस्तदव चरणाम्बुजद्वयाद् उदञ्जिदं त्रिभुवनपावनं रजः महर्षयपुलगधरैकलेबरैः उदूहिरे धृतभवदीक्षणोत्सवाः. When thou set out for the woods, from thy lotus-like 2 feet, the dust arose which sanctifies the 3 worlds. The great sages received that dust on their bodies with great joy and horripilation as they feasted their eyes on thy sight. प्रजारेयत्यविरल साद्वले तले पशून् विभो भवति समं कुमारकैः अखासुरो नरुणदखाय वर्तनीं भयानकः सपति शयानकाकृतिः. Though and the lads were gazing the cattle on the thick grasslands, suddenly the most terrifying demon, Aghasura, in the form of a formidable python with an evil intention, blocked the way. महाजलप्रतिमदनोर्गुहानिभप्रसारितप्रथितमुखस्य गानने मुखोदरं विकरणकौतुकाद्गदाः कुमारकाः किमपि विदूरगे त्वयि. Though had gone a little ahead, the lads mistook the huge body of the Asura for a mountain and its large spread out mouth for a cave. In their eagerness to explore the woods, they entered the python's open mouth. प्रमादद प्रविशदि पन्नगोदरं क्वथत्तनो पशुपकुले सवाल्सगे विधन्निदं त्वमपि विवेशिद प्रभो सुहृज्जनं विशरणमाशुरक्षितुम्. The Gopas, along with the calves, had entered the belly of the snake by mistake and started to feel the heat therein. Hare, apprehending the situation, you also entered immediately to save the helpless friends. गलोदरे विपुलितवष्मणा त्वया महोरगे लुठति निरुद्धमारुदे द्रुतं भवान् विदलितकण्ठमण्डलो विमोचयन् पशुपशून् विनिर्ययौ. In the cavity of the throat of the python, though increased thy size of thy body, thus obstructing its breath, it began to writhe in agony. Then, though tore open its neck portion and releasing the Gopa boys and the cows, you also came out. Kshanam divi tadubagamartha मास्तिधं महासुरप्रभवमहो महो महद विनिर्गदे त्वयिदु निलीनमज्जसा नभस्थले ननृतरथो जगुस्सुरा. A great brilliance emerged from the Asura and rose in the sky and awaited thy emerging from the body of the python. Hare, what a wonder! As soon as you came out, the brilliance merged into thee, while the gods danced and sang. Savismayaihi kamalabhavadiभिः सुरैः अनुद्रुतस्तदनुगतः कुमारकैः दिने पुनस्तरुणदशामुपेयुषि स्वगैर्भवानदनुदभोजनोत्सवम्. Brahma and other gods were wonderstruck and watched thee and followed thee in the skies. After that, you went with the Gopa boys when the day had reached noontime, and with thy own people you celebrated the food festival, the picnic lunch. विषाणिकामपि मुरलीं निदम्बके निवेशयन् कवलधरकराम्बुजे प्रहासयन् कलवचनैः कुमारगान् बुभोजितत्रिदशगणैर्मुदानुदा. The horn and the flute were tucked in thy waistband. You were holding a ball of rice in thy lotus hand and provoked peals of laughter among the boys by thy humorous talks. As you took thy meal, the gods joyfully sang thy praises. Sugashanam तिहतव गोपमण्डले मगाशनाल् प्रियमिव देवमण्डले इति स्तुतत्रिदश वरैर्जगत्पदे मरुत्पुरी निलय गदाल् प्रभाहि माम्. Hare Guruvayurappa, Lord of the universe, the great gods praised thee, saying that the meal taken happily with the Gopa boys gave thee more pleasure than the sacrificial offerings which you had received with the gods. Hare Guruvayurappa, save me from my ailments. With this, Dashaka 51 Vanabhojana is completed and we will hear the bhajan songs of Sati Suresh.
भक्तापाय भुजङ्गगारूढ मणि त्रैलोक्य रक्षामणि गोपीलोचन चातकाम्बुदमणि सौन्दर्य मुद्रामणि यः कान्तामणि रुक्मिणी कनकुचद्वन्द्वैक भूषामणि श्रेयो देव शिखामणि दिशतु नो गोपालचूडामणि गोपालचूडामणि.